Hootsuite integrates with Marketo, which lets you add and update leads straight from your dashboard, blending Marketo more tightly into your social marketing activities. Install Marketo from the app directory and enable the plugin. Now, authenticate your Marketo account from Streams. Open the action menu on a post, send to Marketo, and sign in. Now, let's say you spot a buying signal from a new prospect. Send it to Marketo. If a matching lead already exists, update the fields based on their profile data. And if you've engaged with this prospect in your Hootsuite dashboard before, you may have more data to add in your interaction history. To find this, open the prospect's social profile and review interactions. If it's a brand new lead, enter as many details as possible. Content in Streams can also be logged as activities for existing Marketo leads. Say a customer leaves a comment about one of your hotel locations on a post. Log that interaction by sending the message to Marketo, updating the lead, and logging activities. You can access this new data alongside existing lead data in Marketo to help you deliver more personalized marketing to that lead.